Hello everybody, so this is course B and we are going to practice in lesson 3 sequencing with Angry Birds. It starts with a video that you need to watch. So you watch out for the first video. After that, you just click continue. In this practice, you are going to program the Angry Bird to jump on the pig. In order to do that, you only have to drag the block below this one. So when run, the Angry Bird is going to move to the east side. Click run. In the next level, you have to count how many steps the Angry Bird should move. 1, 2. So you put 2 blocks and stack them under each other. Then you click run. In the third one, you already have the blocks stacked over here. You need to try them out and see what is missing. So you start by using the step block. 1, 2. I have one more missing, which is move north. So I added and then I click reset, run. In this practice, they already solved it for me. The first thing to do, I click run. Okay, let's try again. It stops right here, but this code has 4 blocks, so let's check it out. Step, this is correct. Move west is also correct. So then the last one is not necessary. I can drag it and drop it right here. So this is my real code. And this is why this one is going to turn to a darker green. In this practice, I have 2 east. I only need 1 more block. Move south. Reset, run. In the last practice, I just need to count how many steps I need to move. So this is 1, 2. I'm moving twice west and then run.